Right, that's a Beko DTLC100051W. Basically, the drum stopped working on it. You'd hear a humming sound, but it wouldn't spin. Done a bit of research online and figured out that the issue is the capacitor in it. It basically, that's what gives it a surge of energy to allow the drum to spin. That's it there. Now, typically, if you watch any of the videos, it's down beside the motor down here, but in this particular model, it's up here. It's in the silver box. Now, I've undone the box, the screws you can just access here. But yeah, basically I said I'd do the video because I was looking forever for where the capacitor was, and it's in there. You get them very cheap. I got mine in a place called Charlie Sheilds, is it on the Longnile Road. It's only €10, so a very easy fix. You basically just unplug these, undo the nut that's here, and then buy the new one, replace it, and just screw everything back up.